What if I told you? You can send WhatsApp-style messages without internet, without a router, and even without a server. And the craziest part, the entire chat system runs on a tiny $5 ESP32 chip. But here's where things get interesting. Every message in this system is encrypted. It has live typing indicators. It looks like WhatsApp. And it even shows how many users are connected on a tiny OLED screen. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this encrypted ESP32 chat server works. And by the end, you'll be able to build it yourself. But first, watch what happens when we power on the ESP32. Instead of just starting normally, the screen shows a Matrix-style hacker animation. Then, a terminal boot sequence appears. Initializing network, starting secure server, loading encryption engine, secure channel activated. Now the ESP32 becomes a Wi-Fi access point. Anyone who connects to this Wi-Fi can open a web page and instantly join a live encrypted chat room. And here's something cool. When new users connect, the OLED display updates the live user count automatically. So the ESP32 becomes a complete encrypted messaging server. Now let's build it. First, the hardware. This project needs only two components: an ESP32 development board and a 128 by 64 OLED display. Now let's connect the circuit. The OLED works using I2C communication, so we only need 4 wires. Connect OLED VCC to 3.3 volts. Connect OLED GND to ground. Connect OLED SDA to GPIO25. Connect OLED SCL to GPIO26. And that's it. Your hardware setup is complete. Now comes the most interesting part: the software architecture. The ESP32 first creates its own Wi-Fi network. Then it starts a web server that hosts the chat interface. But normal web servers refresh pages, and that would make chat very slow. So instead, we use something called WebSockets. WebSockets create a live communication channel between all connected users. This allows messages to appear instantly on every device. Now here comes the security part. Before sending a message, the browser encrypts it using XOR encryption. Each character in the message is combined with a secret key. This transforms the original text into encrypted data. When the message reaches another user, the same XOR operation is applied again, and the original message appears. Because XOR is extremely lightweight, it works perfectly on microcontrollers like ESP32. Now let's look at the features of this system. Matrix hacker boot animation, terminal-style startup sequence, encrypted messaging using XOR algorithm, live WebSocket chat system, WhatsApp-style mobile chat interface, typing indicator, message timestamps, double blue ticks, OLED status display, and live connected user counter. Now let's upload the code. Open the Arduino IDE. Install the required libraries: Wi-Fi, web server, WebSocket server, Adafruit SSD 1306. Upload the program to the ESP32 and restart the board. Now open your phone Wi-Fi settings, connect to the ESP32 network, and open the IP address shown on the OLED display. Enter a username and start chatting instantly. And just like that, you created a fully encrypted messaging system using a microcontroller. This project shows how powerful embedded systems can be. With just a few components, we built a secure, real-time communication platform. If you want to see more crazy ESP32 projects like this, make sure you subscribe to Cooltronics projects and check the full code and circuit diagram in the description. I'll see you in the next innovation.